gonna be out. Let's see. What's up, YouTube? It's been a while, long time. But work on the Trailblazers today. Got me some relocation door control arm brackets. That's where I got them from. I got the bolt on ones, but I think I'm gonna still try to weld them on there. No idea. Saving for a better 60 foot, so let's see. Take these wheels off and then install them, and I'll show you how they're on here. So it looks a mess under here. I said it so long, I guess, but yeah, that's how it's gonna go. The lower control arm drops down. You can put it on one of the first, second, third, wherever you think. And there's another little bracket that goes right here to hold that, for it won't bend in. Yeah. There's another little piece as well. Both are with where the shot goes. I guess to brace it more better. So, something like that. Yeah. Finish it up and I'll show you how it looks. You got some hardware they send you with. It's good right there where the lower control arm was at. Or something like this. Another picture. Just like that. Alright, so ahí quedó, mira. This bottom was a little rough to put in, but I'm loosen it up there in front. With a goddamn screwdriver, try to pull it. I got it in there. That's how it is. So you gotta put this one on. Use the same screw, but yeah, that's how it is. I think I should weld it up here. I don't know. There it is. Did you do the other side? You know. Gotta go test drive it. See if you feel the difference. And then you clean all this up. Man. For now, I'm running the stock controls, but I think I'm gonna just go ahead and upgrade them. Shouldn't be that much. Let's see. Alright, let's do the other side. Other side put together. And this side was a lot easier. You know, you always got that one side that's a lot easier. There it is. Tighten down. Should be good. Alright, all done. That's all done. This all done. I'm gonna drive it around. See any difference. Yeah. Let me take these wheels off. Put them up and put these in the front. I already ordered some other ones. Or I got them already. Just need to get the right tires for it. Should be good. Before they start dry riding. Be a little wobbly. That's it. I installed the relocate lower control arms. Feel a little different. I mean, I ain't making that much power, but yeah. I'm gonna fill up the bottle and see how it feels at the bottom. But hey, appreciate y'all watching. I'll try to make more videos. Be hard sometimes, but oh yeah, I'm gonna show you something. Maybe you'll like this. I made some hats. Or a hat. Little camo hat with the little performance logo. If y'all liked it, if y'all like it, I mean, hit me up on my Instagram. We'll try to make a little, we'll figure out how to make a little store. Hey, support the channel. I really appreciate it. Let's see. got some lanyards. They're a different design. Hold up. So yeah. Hey, but other than that, that's it for this one. Appreciate y'all watching. If you're gonna like it, subscribe if y'all can. Appreciate it. Peace.